Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne, I'm a yoga teacher, and today's video is the compass flow on your bed. So I'm not going to shoot in my bed because there is just no space for me to show you that, but I'll just do it while lying down on the mat. The only thing you will need is a block or pillow in the bed. Usually you have that. Technically, you can do that whether you're waking up or going to sleep, but the motor and the motivation behind it, the intention that you put, is the thing that is going to put the color to your practice in yoga. So for this video today, I decided to offer you and to work with you for a sleep sequence. So I'll talk about it, but up to you to adapt it if you struggle to wake up, because this could be a good way for you to actually wake up as well. So let's start with the most simple. So straighten your legs in front of you. Try not to have your feet like this, real flat like that. Inhale, grow tall. Arms up. I'm sure you know where we're going with that. And you fall forward. If you can't go really far, it's fine. Then just drop the arms on the side and then allow your back to round. If it's pulling too much behind the legs, feel free to bend a bit your legs. So the belly is really on the thighs. This is really that direction that we're looking for. Okay? So relax from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. You can leave the arms on the side, grab the knees, calves, ankles, behind the feet, whatever you reach. And just for today, you're going to slow down. Okay. Slowly roll up. Make sure you have the block or the pillow next to you. And we're gonna lie down with the knees bent. And you're going to slide the pillow, even if it's a folded blanket, it works, underneath your pelvis. Exactly. If it's too high, if it's at the level of the lumbar vertebrae, it's going to hurt. And this is not what we're looking for. Most of the time I ask people to put it lower. You'll feel it when it's good, okay? And this is really here, the groin that you stretch and the hip flexors. And it feels so good. So go ahead, breathe. Allow your body to melt towards the floor. Okay. Second posture. No, third posture, sorry. So that was forward before we went, so it was north. I call it compass because we follow the compass, right? So it was north, now it was south. Then we're going to go east and west, okay? So catch your knees. Massage the lower back. It's always nice, both ways. Keep the right knee into your hands and send the right leg towards the floor. The idea is that you're going to leave the foot on the floor, but not the knee. Okay, so the foot is on the floor, and the right arm opens to the right, and your gaze follows your arm. Make sure your right arm is at the level of your shoulders. What I usually see is the arm is too much low, and sometimes to do better, people put it too high. So up to you to really figure out, well, I'm too close to the wall, so that's why it's not working for me. Sorry for the noise. Left hand on the left thigh and knee, just to add a little bit of weight. Breathe. So you see my knee and my shoulder here, the right knee and right shoulder, are off the floor. And with each exhale, I try to bring them towards the floor. You should feel a stretch in the right glutes, or maybe in the lower right part of your back. If it's pinching too much on the inside of your right thigh, maybe lower down the right thigh. Okay, so let's say it's east. Bring the right hand back onto the left, and then roll onto your back. This is the safest way I find to have my students practice this posture. Then catch again your knees. Make sure your lumbers are into the floor. Keep the left knee this time into the hands and bring the left foot on the right. Keep the left knee and left shoulder off the floor, but they try to go gradually towards the floor. If the left hand doesn't touch the floor yet, it's fine. Just give it some time. Try to relax from the face, the toes, going through the neck. With each exhale, it's easier to let go. Stay there, be patient. Observe the sensations in your body. And bring the left hand onto the right hand. And you're just on your side, like in fetal position. And then from there, you roll onto your back. Okay, so that was west, right? So we did north, south, east, and west. So far, so good. What we can do is southeast, northeast together with the banana posture. Banana posture is stretch yourself out, heels away from the hips, hands away from the shoulders, and then both legs go to the right. You can even cross the left ankle onto the right. And then you're going to lift your arms and the upper body. So look at me because it looks like this. And view from the top, it looks like a banana. That's why it's called a banana. Your right hand can catch the left wrist. Of course, the left hip has a tendency to lift. The idea is that you try to keep the left hip low and you feel a stretch in the whole left side of your body. If you feel that, you're in the right place. If it's pulling too much on the right side, it's because you didn't stretch out enough in the first place. So maybe go back and do that. Keep your head onto the floor, the back of the head onto the floor. You don't need to turn and twist the head. You can keep looking at the ceiling. And slowly come back. Arms, legs. Adjust your body so you can maybe try to feel straight again. Usually you keep that feeling of banana shape one way because this is what we did. So go ahead, stretch to become the longest version of yourself. And both legs to the left, right ankle onto the left, both arms and upper body to the left. Left hand is catching the right wrist, and you lengthen before you curve. Head resting nicely into the mat. Feel the length in the right side of your body. Try to let go of any tension in your face. Soften the neck, shoulders, the belly. Couple more breaths. And slowly come back. Relax. So that was northwest and southwest. We did northeast and southeast before. So I guess we covered all the 8 directions in one go. So yeah, I said, and maybe I write it's a flow, but it's more of a yin sequence because we tend to stay in the postures for quite a long time, and it's more to feel yourself ready to go to sleep. I don't know if you do. I do. This is what I like about it. So obviously, if you do this in the morning, maybe do that in a more dynamic way, where you switch one side to the other. And yeah, the most important is the intention you put behind. So I hope you're gonna try it. If you like this video, please put a thumb up. If you want to share it with a friend, feel free to do so. If you have any comments or remarks, please do write me down below. And last but not least, please do subscribe if it's not done yet. And you can find the playlist of my channel here. All right, take care. Have a nice day or night, and see you next Wednesday.